My name's Lee Stafford and today I'm at Afan College working with the students. What I've done today is a twisted tongue masterclass, which is like a hair tongue recipe, showing them and sharing with them the Lee Stafford Education recipes, and also we've been having a nice chinwag about all the opportunities that are out there for them in the hair world once they leave college.
I'm in level 3 hairdressing in Afan College and I'm really enjoying learning Lee Stafford's recipes. It was really nice meeting Lee Stafford for the first time today and learning about his career and how he became a famous hairdresser.
The lecturers here at Afan College are amazing, and we have both decided to come back and progress to the next level next year.
It's been fantastic having Lee with us again today. Such a fantastic experience for the students. Lee is actually going around each salon, hands-on, chatting to them and helping and sharing his knowledge and tips. So it's been really personal and a fantastic opportunity and learning experience.